Let us learn about Risk Terminator. So what is Risk Terminator? Risk Terminator is an add-on component that gets installed automatically with GRC's access control suite. Um, so with GRC Risk Analysis and Remediation Tool, the ARA, the risk analysis should be carried out manually for every role or user change. But what if, if a critical role is assigned to a user without performing any risk analysis? Or what if a critical transaction code is added to a role, like critical transaction codes like SCC4, for example, or SC06, right? The PFCG for role creation or SPRO for customization. What if these transaction codes are accidentally assigned to users or entered in a role, right, added to a role without performing any risk analysis? So obviously, um, conflicts are going to be introduced into your environment. So as a security administrator, uh, that would be a cause of concern if any unnecessary violations are entering into the system because of some role assignment or some role change that was carried out without any risk analysis being done or simulation being done. So, and risk analysis, access risk violation occurs when defined access control policies and procedures designed to enforce control of a user's capability to perform specific activities in the system are compromised. In a typical business environment, controlling what a user can or cannot do without a robust access and risk control management system can be a challenging task. So that in such a case, such a scenario, the risk terminator functionality provides the basic infrastructure needed to address this business concern, right? Especially when user and role maintenance occur directly in the plugin system. Okay. So the risk terminator provides the framework where risk analysis can be triggered during user and role maintenance activities using SU01 or SU10 or PFCG directly in the plugin system. So it helps you, it gives you the ability to keep your system, SAP system, risk-free. So it runs in the background, and it actually, like I said earlier, it actually resides in the ABAP backend system and uses your risk analysis and remediation rule set that you have configured in an ARA tool. Okay, so what we're going to do, right, to simulate how risk analysis works for role maintenance and user provisioning, we will use three scenarios, right? One for creating roles using PFCG in the plugin system, and we'll try and assign two conflicting transaction codes into the role and see what happens. And then we'll also see how what happens if two conflicting transaction codes are assigned to a user, maybe within the same role or through two different roles. Okay, and we'll see what happens when we do a mass maintenance of users, right? Using SU10, the transaction SU10. So in order to do that, so there are some configuration parameters that need to be set up in both the GRC system as well as the plugin system. And those parameter value begin with 1000. So these are the parameters 1000, 1081, 82, 83, 84, and 88. These are the parameters that you would need to set up in both the plugin system as well as the GRC system. So when you do that, risk terminator is triggered when creating a role with SOD conflicts or adding roles with conflicts to users. So we'll see with a demo as to how risk terminator works.